Okay, go.
This is Flipped Out Studios. We have some peppers that have been soaking in the bomb hot sauce for a couple weeks. And we're about to eat them. We're going to eat 2, and we're going to last 1 minute with nothing to drink.
There you go.
1. Oh, that's a big one, you sucker.
That's worse.
I know.
You ready? Go. It's still in my mouth. How long has it been? You didn't even start it, did you? One more minute.
No.
I'm just getting ready. I breathed it. We have a minute. That's it.
It's been a minute.
Oh,
It's back.
we are fifthly stupid.
Very stupid. Oh.
It went in my shorts.
Well, I hope you like our video. See you next time.